Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change gender on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change gender on Bigo Live. Maybe because when you created your account on Bigo, you accidentally added the wrong gender and now you want to correct it. Or maybe you want to change the gender for any of your personal reason. Or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change your gender on Bigo Live. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First thing that you have to make sure is that you have already installed the Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of content, or you could say live streams, on our home screen. We have some options at the top and some at the bottom as well. So from all these options, you just have to simply click onto this right bottom option, which is your profile icon, or you could say me option. You just have to simply tap onto that option and then you will get into it. And after that, you will see this interface. First, you will read the title of me at the top left, and there you will see your profile image, your name, and profile ID. Other than that, you will see other some stuff related to your personal information and your account. Other than that, you will see two options at the top. We have to select this first one, which is your profile icon. Just simply tap onto that option, and you will land into your profile. There again, you will see information related to your account, your personal information, and other stuff. Now you have to click onto this pencil icon, this one. Once you tap onto it, you will get here. Here at the top, you will see the title of edit. That means in this option, we could edit or change our personal information. Once you scroll down, you will see this section, and in this section we have this option which says gender. Right now male is selected, so once you tap on it, you will get others options as well. So here we have four options: male, female, non-binary, and preferred not to say. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer and whatever you think is the right one. You just have to simply tap onto that option, and that option or that gender will be selected on your account. So here, as we have four, you just have to simply tap on any one of these options and then it will select it. After that, you have to click on this option, save, and that gender option will be posted or pasted on your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your gender on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.